we are going to perform chi-square and using the sample of discount plan, and it's a book review, and this is the book name, Statistic for Manager using Microsoft Excel, and it's a wonderful book, 7th edition. There is a case study called number of subscriber who continue subscription after trial period with 4 discount plans. For example, no discount, moderate discount, substantial discount, restaurant card, right? And then you have a binary one, discrete data, yes or no, right? For example, if you had no discount, 24 people, and no no discount, 76. Like this, you have a data, and all we have to do is you have to analyze the result of the experiment, write a report to learn the include your recommendation for each discount plan to use. So at the end, we have to tell which discount plan we can recommend. Be prepared to discuss the limitation and assumption of this experiment. So when you say assumption, we are going to talk about the hypothesis, right? So this same data, for example, continuous subscriptions and after tail period, no discount and moderate, substantial and restaurant cost. The same data has been given in the Minitab, and I have just pasted in Minitab. All we have to do is you have to go to stat, and then you can go to tables, and you can go to cross tabulation and chi-square. Now here I have just summarized in two-way table, right? So I have just taken all this one, no discount, moderate, substantial and restaurant. Just give okay. And we're gonna count, and row percentage maybe important, column percentage is not important because we know that it's all 100. Yes or no, and total percentage also not required, only these two. And we're going to select the chi-square, and we are also do the Fisher exact model also as well. Give okay, and you can give okay, and you can see that here. So this is one refers to yes, that means the discount is given, and no refers to no discount is given, right? In your data set, this is the value is there. It's like yes and no. And continue subscriptions, this is the continue subscription after tail period, yes or no. So this is that Minitab has referred that as 1 and 2, right? So this is nothing but yes, and this is nothing but no, right? 1 refers to yes and 2 refers to no. 24, the same data, 24, 30, 38, 51, put together 143. And in terms of percentage, it is, for example, 16 percentage, 20, 26, 35 percentage, right? I'm ignoring that decimal values, and then you also have expected values, right? So 24 percentage, 30, 38, and 51, right? Similarly, for no, you have this remaining percentage, and then you have the very importantly the p-value. P-value is 0. That means significant. That means the subscription continuation after trial period is depend on what scheme you offer, whether no discount, moderate, substantial, restaurant. In my view, the best thing to do is that subscriptions is being continued after the trial period is when we are having the restaurant card. Through that, we can give for 51 percentage after one. That looks to be very promising, followed by substantial discount also as well, right? So therefore, I will vouch for to give the discount, and that's the recommendation because the p-value is significant. P-value is 0. That means we're going to reject the null hypothesis, and that means there is a difference, right? I hope you find it useful. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have a wonderful day ahead.